Welcome to our video series, Feature Focus Spotlight by SonicWall. Today's topic, migrating from SonicWall Gen 6.5 to Gen 7. In this video, we'll navigate through the features and benefits of SonicWall's Gen 7, and we'll also see a demonstration of the migration process from 6.5 to a Gen 7 firewall. If you are already familiar with the features of Sonic0S 7.1.1 and want to see the migration demonstration, you may jump ahead in the time bar below and click on the chapter labeled 3-Step Easy Migration Process. Whether you're an end user seeking enhanced security or a SonicWall partner eager to empower your clients, this video will explore how the new release can elevate your cybersecurity and make network management effortless. Before we dive into the features of Sonic0S 7.1.1, let's take a moment to preview the list of chapters in this video. We open with Setting the Stage, where we will explore the many features of the Gen 7 Firewall series, which is the foundation for our latest Sonic0S release. Next is Exploring the 7.1.1 release, where we'll dive into the high-level features and benefits of Sonic0S. In Migration Paths to New Gen 7, we explain the options available when migrating from older SonicWall firewall generations and third-party firewalls. In the chapter End User Benefits, we will delve into the features of the online migration tool and its functionality. And in the chapter 3-Step Easy Migration Process, you will see the step-by-step demonstration of the migration tool itself. Then, the final chapter is our call to action for you to engage with SonicWall representatives, to ask questions, to explore additional features, and to begin a new experience in network security. Setting the stage. The Gen 7 Firewall series elevates SonicWall's cybersecurity strength by living up to our core mission: deliver unparalleled protection against evolving threats, setting a new standard in security excellence. Gen 7 firewalls form the cornerstone of a robust cybersecurity infrastructure that addresses today's challenges while anticipating tomorrow. Whether you're an IT pro or a newcomer, you will appreciate innovations that strengthen your network security and make it easier to manage. SonicWall goes beyond providing a product; we offer a solution and our commitment to your security. Exploring the SonicWall 7.1.1 release. Managing network security is complex, but SonicWall Gen 7 firewalls offer a straightforward solution that blocks advanced cyber attacks, while it evaluates and mitigates risks, and even simplifies how you manage your network. Gen 7 firewalls play a crucial role in safeguarding organizations against various threats, ensuring continuous protection from sophisticated attacks. Our commitment to staying ahead in cybersecurity is evident through our continuous hardware and software enhancements. Here's what's new in Sonic0S 7.1.1. Notable additions include advanced threat protection, a revamped content filter, enhanced DNS security, and seamless integration with Aruba ClearPass NAC. We've also significantly improved multi-cloud deployments based on feedback we received about previous performance and registration processes. Additional enhancements include NSV bootstrapping, token-based registration, and a new driver for NSV that increases overall performance. We also prioritized ease of use and operations by enhancing the app experience with a better user interface. Plus, we added support for Wi-Fi 6 access points. This comprehensive list of improvements reflects SonicWall's dedication to providing robust cybersecurity solutions and engineering user-friendly interfaces and processes. Migration paths to the new Gen 7. There are different options available for migrating to a Gen 7 firewall. For a customer who is using an existing SonicWall firewall, we have two options. You can directly import an old configuration onto the new Gen 7. Visit SonicWall's support portal and check the link on the screen to the knowledge base article for a compatibility list. You can also find the link to the knowledge base article in the video description below. The next option is the subject of our spotlight, the free online migration tool. This tool allows you to convert settings from any firewall, from SonicWall or third party, to create a new settings file that can be imported onto your new Gen 7 firewall. End user benefits. The free online migration tool offers an easy transition service that will accelerate your migration to the Gen 7 firewall. The tool ensures a swift and secure migration. You'll compress your work time and minimize risks by eliminating the potential for human error. The online migration tool also automates migration from various firewall vendors, such as Check Point, Cisco, Fortinet, and many others. Migration is efficient, cost-effective, and greatly reduces downtime while you upgrade your organization to new and more powerful Gen 7 firewalls. Now, let's get started with the 3-step easy migration process demonstration. Our new migration process gives you a seamless experience when moving from SonicWall Gen 6, 6.5, or third-party firewalls to a Gen 7 firewall. You can find the migration tool by visiting migratetool.global.sonicwall.com. The link is also provided in the video description, as mentioned earlier. In this demonstration, we are upgrading from an old Gen 6 TZ300 to a new Gen 7 TZ370. We'll check to verify the current configuration. The TZ300 firewall is running on a 6.5.3 firmware version. All 5 interfaces are configured, with one WAN link and one port shielded to X0. There are over 130 access rules, including both default and custom rules. About 29 NAT policies. 9 routing rules. And there are 3 custom VPN policies. Along with custom access rule allows inbound HTTPS traffic, from LAN to LAN, to access the web server. And a NAT policy that redirects traffic hitting the previous access rule to the internal web server. We'll migrate all of them to the new firewall. We'll start by downloading the configuration file from the TZ300. In the top menu bar of your network security appliance interface, click Manage. The sidebar menu shows the Updates section. Click Firmware and Backups. Mouse over the Import-Export configuration column and click Export Configuration. The Export Configuration pop-up appears. Click Export. The configuration file has been downloaded in a .exp format. Now it's time to access the migration tool. You'll find it at migratetool.global.sonicwall.com. The link can be found in the video description. You may also scan the QR code on the screen. Click Next from the Start page. We've selected the TZ300 settings in the EXP file we downloaded earlier. For Select Configuration, click Browse to find your settings file on your local device. We've selected the TZ300 settings in the EXP file we downloaded earlier. Click Upload. When the upload is completed, the migration tool detects the firewall configuration. Click Next. Identify the SonicWall firewall model you are deploying. Select from the list under Select Target Product. For this demonstration, we chose TZ370. Click Next. Assign interfaces to map the interface configuration. Click One-to-One Mapping at the bottom of the screen if you want to use the same interfaces as the target firewall. Click Next. Now you're at the Export Settings page. Here you can select the target version for the new settings file. Look for the Target section, then click the Version drop-down menu. We're choosing 7.0.1-5145. Next, select the features you want activated in the Advanced section. Click Finish. The settings you migrated from your old firewall will now be downloaded to your new firewall. When you see this window, your new settings have been successfully converted and installed. Now we're on the final stages of the migration. We'll log into the Gen 7 Firewall Admin app. From the start, you'll see a new operating system with a modern user interface and intuitive workflows, all built around user-first design principles. From this screen, we see that the firewall is running Sonic0S 7 and is configured with default values. So, at this point, you see that there are no custom access policies assigned to the device. And 0 custom NAT policies. We do have the default group VPN policies, but no custom policies. The routing rules are also set to default. To import your migrated settings, go to the top menu bar and click Device. Then go to the sidebar menu and look for Settings. Click Firmware and Settings to import the converted settings into your new Gen 7 firewall. Click on the Import or Export configuration and select Import configuration. The Import configuration dialog will display. Click Browse to locate the file, which has the .exp extension. Select the file. Click Import. When your Gen 7 firewall is running, you can check that your migrated configurations are correctly mapped. We now have a total of 130 access rules migrated from the old firewall, along with the default rules. The previously highlighted access rule for the web server from the TZ300 is now working in the TZ370. The NAT policy is also migrated, as are all of the root policies. And the 5 VPN policies have also been migrated from the TZ300 and enabled on the TZ370. As you can see, Sonic0S 7 gives you a hassle-free and nearly effortless migration from your old devices to SonicWall Gen 7. In the real-world application, the migration process is a testament to SonicWall simplicity and efficiency, which gives you minimal business disruption. Conclusion and call to action. Gen 7 and Sonic0S 7.1.1 mark a significant milestone in SonicWall's journey to excellence. So, there's more to learn. You can start by exploring your upgrade options. If you are a partner or current SonicWall product user, check the user portal at My SonicWall for the latest features and updates. If you are new to SonicWall, please reach out to your SonicWall representative or solution engineer today by scanning the QR code on the screen. Subscribe for future feature-focused Spotlight episodes for more insights on other developments and updates from SonicWall. Thanks for watching.